How to write a country song. A good country song should have strong feelings and catchy melodies. You ought to feel sorrow for the singer's loss and a desire to pick up a guitar and jam along. You'll need to learn how to brainstorm, write lyrics, and compose music like all the most successful country musicians have in the past if you want to write a song like that. You can write a solid country song like the pros as long as you follow this advice. 1. Choose the subjects you want to cover in your song. Themes like grief, heartbreak, betrayal, family, and faith are addressed in country music. They typically also tell a story as well. Choose the traditional nation themes you want to explore and the narrative structure you want to use to explore those topics. 2. Consider the name of your song. Thinking of song names and then extrapolating from them is one of the best ways to generate song ideas. In order to keep track, pay attention to catchy phrases on TV, in movies, in books, and in everyday conversation. Write them down in a notepad or on your phone. 3. Create a hook using your title as a guide. The catchy portion of your music that stays in your head is called the hook. If your song's title is catchy, it can easily act as the song's hook. Try experimenting with different melodies and your title to see what you can come up with. 4. Center the chorus on the hook. The chorus is typically built on the hook because, if it's memorable, the audience should hear it repeatedly to ensure that they retain it. To make it stand out to the listeners, it is frequently placed at the start or conclusion of the chorus, or both, and it typically has only one line. 5. Compose the song's opening stanza. In your verses, use concrete imagery. Your verses, which are typically 4 lines long, should provide particular examples to help listeners connect with the song's ideas. Try out various line patterns to discover which one seems to be the most remembered. 6. Based on your first verse, write your other 2 verses. The second and third verses of your song can be written very rapidly after the first one.
1, 2.
The subsequent verses ought to follow the first in style while presenting fresh details and metaphors. 7. Your song should have a bridge to provide lyrical and musical contrast. The bridge, which is typically 4 lines long, adds something fresh, novel, and perhaps surprising to break up the monotony of the song. Bridges are similar to an additional chorus in your song. They are typically ambiguous but deal with the theme in a fresh way that gives the song some flavor. Have lots of fun. Good luck, mate. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button.